Hello, my name is Jack Kerwin, and today I'm going to be showing you about the website Quizlet. Quizlet is an online electronic flashcard website that helps you learn and study for your classes. Quizlet is free, however, you can upgrade to a premium version for a price. Quizlet allows you to make flashcards like sets like these. After you make the set, you could either study like flashcards electronically. You can go to the learn option where the learning mode helps you start to learn the material if you just started studying. There's a test option, which is a mode which you can see how you are doing with your studying and see what you have to study more of. And finally, there's a matching mode. The matching game mode is a game where you have to match different ones together, and you're timed, and you can compete against your friends to see who's the fastest. I think Quizlet is a great study tool for elementary and high school students and even college students. And I think every student should be using Quizlet to help study for their exams and classes.